Okay, we're going to be talking today about adding and subtracting rational fractions. We can start by factoring all the denominators to determine the least common denominator. And generally we call that the LCD. And the LCD will contain all the factors of all the denominators. You use the LCD to build equivalent denominators in all the rational expressions using multiplication. First you write the sum and or difference of all the numerators over the LCD. Last thing you do is check for new opportunities to reduce. An example is we have the 1 over 12x squared plus 3 over 18x. We can simplify the denominators into their primes. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3 times x. 18 is 2 times 3 times 3 times x. You're looking to get these denominators to match, so you look for what's missing in the first denominator that's in the second denominator. There's an extra 3 in the second denominator that you multiply to the numerator and denominator. In comparing for the first denominator, the second one needs a 2 and an x, which you multiply to the numerator and denominator. At this point, you then have all the same denominator. If you multiply 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, that's 36, and 2x's makes x squared. Since that is the common denominator, you go straight across the top. The numerator is 3 plus 6x. Last step is to check to see if you can reduce more. There's a common factor of 3 in the numerator. If you take that out, you're left with 1 plus 2x. The denominator is still 36x squared. Go further, the 3 and the 36 can cancel. 3 goes into 3 one time, 3 goes into 36 12 times. That leaves you with 1 plus 2x in the numerator and 12x squared in the denominator. And again, x cannot equal 0 because that would make the denominator equal to 0.